Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're loading that package unit behind me. You can see on a new install. The old one had bad compressor and bad freon leaks. So call us for our AC, heating, refrigeration needs, and plumbing. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Let's go up the ladder really quick. Hope I don't drop my phone. Ay. Up here on the roof, you can see the unit right there. I'm gonna give the there's Juan Carlos. Give the crane guy some directions. So lower, it's gonna go right there, just like all these other ones. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Here you go, have a good one. 512-448-0532. All right, bye-bye.